Hey, so if the text tool is not working in Photopea, like you can't type, or text doesn't appear, yeah, don't worry. This is usually a quick fix. In this guide, I'll show you how to solve it step by step. First thing, make sure you're using the right text tool. Click the T icon and choose the horizontal text tool. Next, click directly on the canvas before typing. So if you don't click first, the text won't appear. All right? Check your text color. I mean, if your text is white on a white background, it might be there, but invisible. Now increase the font size. Sometimes text is just too small to see, especially on large canvases. Next, go to the Layers panel. So, your text might be created, but hidden behind another layer. All right, try switching fonts or resetting the text tool. I mean, some corrupted fonts can stop text from showing properly. And yeah, if nothing works, refresh Photopea or reopen your project. This clears temporary glitches. So that's how you fix Photopea text not working issues. One of these steps should get your text tool working again.